Diwali is just around the corner, and today I'm going to show you this easy Diwali makeup look that you can wear on any traditional outfit. Now if you're new to the Be Beautiful platform, then do not forget to bash the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Before I begin, I've already applied some moisturizer and topped it off with some primer. In addition to that, I've also applied a bit of concealer on my eyelids, which will work as a base for my eyeshadow application. I always prefer doing my eyes first, as it gives me time to remove any kind of eyeshadow fallout before I work on my base. So before I begin with my eyeshadow application, I'm going to dust some loose powder on my eyelids so that there's no creasing. This look is quick, easy and completely fuss-free. I'm using a light brown color as the base transition color on the crease area. Now I'm taking a coral shade and applying it right on the crease. This creates a transition effect that looks beautiful on the eyes. For the lids, I'm going to make both the pinks from the palette. Repeat the same on the other eye. For the eyeliner, I'm going to draw a sharp, thick winged eyeliner. And now comes the fun part, the shine eyeliner. Just trace along the winged eyeliner to jazz up this look. Before I move on to the base, I'm just going to take some makeup remover on a cotton pad and just wipe off the excess eyeshadow fallout from the under eye area. For the base, I'm going to apply some foundation. Dab the foundation on the center of your forehead, under your eyes and on your nose and chin. Using a makeup sponge, quickly tap the sponge over the dots, blending the foundation outwards towards your hairline and jaw to diffuse the color. Keep tapping under your chin and jaw to seamlessly blend the edges. I'm using a damp sponge as it gives a more subtle and natural finish. Once that's done, apply concealer on areas that require excess coverage. Now I'm going to go back to the eyes. For the lower waterline, I'm going to take a light pinkish color and apply it on the contours of the lower eyelids. I prefer doing the lower part of the eyes once the base is completed for a cleaner look. Follow it up by applying a generous coat of mascara for voluminous lashes. Apply some blusher on the face for that color. Use a light hand for a subtle effect. Now for this look, I'm not going to contour my face. Instead, I'm using a bronzer highlighter duo and applying it on the hollows of the face. Once the face is bronzed, I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter on the high points of the face. Then I'm going to quickly fill in my eyebrows to define my facial features. And now for my most favorite part, the lipstick. For this look, I'm going to show you two lip options, one nude and one bright. For the nude lip, I have opted for one of my favorite formulas, the Weightless Matte Mousse in the shade Blush Velvet. It's a soft tone mauve lipstick which will keep this look subtle. For the bright lip option, I'm going for a red. But this red is very different. It's a rust red from the Matte Melt collection. The lip shade is called Red Smoke. Apply it evenly along the lips. And with that, it's a wrap on this easy Diwali makeup look. I hope you guys try out this easy Diwali makeup look. If you do, then let me know how it's worked for you in the comment section below. As always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful. And yes, of course, happy Diwali in advance to one and all.